The ability to reflect, to self-reflect, is one of the most useful tools that you can have, regardless of your position at work or what you do for a living. The ability to reflect means that you can self-reflect on 3 different levels. The first level is called the operative level. And the operative level, it means that you stop in the middle of a conversation and you ask yourself, is this conversation going in the right direction? Or you can self-reflect on, am I contributing the right way in this meeting? Or you're looking just after you finished a workout and you ask yourself, was that a good workout? Now that's operative. It means when you're in it or just finished with it. That's operative. The next level is tactical reflection. Tactical reflection is pattern recognition. Tactical reflection is when you look at 4 or 5 incidents or 4 or 5 meetings, the same type of meeting. So you can pick 4 or 5 Monday morning sessions, you can pick 4 or 5 coaching sessions, 4 or 5 conversations, or 4 or 5 workouts for that matter. But just pick like a pattern, a group of events, and look for positive or negative patterns. What's working and what's not working? Does it work starting up the meetings like this? Should we always end the meetings doing X, Y, or Z? So reflecting on tactical level means that you're actually looking for patterns, good or bad patterns. Then you can use that as data to improve those meetings or improve those workout sessions. Now, the top level or the kind of tricky level is usually the strategic level, because what you're looking for is stuff that is hard to see. So on a strategic level, you're looking for the gradual shifts that are so slow that you will not be able to see it in your day-to-day operations. So on a strategic level, you have to ask yourself questions that help you zoom out and zoom away from the day-to-day. I usually recommend that you do the high-level reflection questions like every 6 months or every year. And that's when you ask yourself bigger questions, like, is my team still contributing the way I want to, or has there been a gradual shift the past year that I haven't seen? My contribution in this work relationship, is it still, my best? Or have I been gradually thinking that, I'll just wing it? Now, strategic reflection is a way to figure out what's the stuff that is changing underlyingly. What's the stuff that is changing, but it is doing so very, very slowly. So I risk missing it until it's after the fact, until it's too late. So those are the 3 levels: operative, tactical, and strategic. And just to summarize it, operative, that's when you're in it or just after it. Tactical is when you're looking for patterns in a series of events that are similar. And strategic is when you're looking for the slow, gradual shift that is hard to see when you're in it or just looking at a few events. Good luck.